Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you find Wise account number. All right, so let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Wise account. So once you open up your Wise account, log into your account. So what are you going to do now if you want to look the account details of your account? So here, choose the balance that which currency account that you want to that you want the account number for. So choose your account. So for example, mine here, I'll choose this one here. So I'll choose mine. So I'll click on it, and then here under your account balance, you'll see a number popping up here. This is actually the account number. So what you can do, you can actually click on it. So if you click on this, you will see all your account details, not just your account number, but also your other account details as well. Okay. And then you have other tabs here, and then you will see all these. You can just see get all information related to your account in a together with your account number. So that's how you can access the account number. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.